Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. Let's go. So the first thing you'll need is a bowl. You can use any size bowl depending on how much slime you want, but the most important thing that it is a bowl. The second ingredient you will need is PVA glue. You can use wood glue or normal craft glue, but I prefer the wood glue. You're just going to put as much glue as you want inside your bowl. The next ingredient you are going to need is some shaving foam. Any brand will work, but yeah, just make sure you don't add in too much of this because it'll make it too much fluffy and it won't form very well. I'm just going to add that much. Then make sure you mix it in thoroughly. Just like that. Make sure you try and mix it in as much as you can. The next ingredient you are going to need is baby powder. I use this because it makes your slime thicker and more stretchier. So the most important thing is don't add in too much. If you feel like you need to add in, mix it in. Then if you feel like you need to add in more after you've mixed it in, because if you add in too much, your slime will go like really hard and not very stretchy. The next ingredient you are going to need is foaming soap. You don't have to use this, but it will make your slime more nicer and more fluffier. Make sure you don't add in too much of this because it will be like really not fluffy and it will break really easily. As you can see, I added in way too much. So I'm just going to try and mix this in and see what happens. Yeah, it's really getting clumpy now, as you can see. That's what you're not meant to do. Sorry guys. I'm sure you can fix this. But yeah, just mix it in as much as you can. As you can see, I added in way too much. So I'm just going to add in a little bit of glue to soften up the mixture. So I'm just going to mix that in thoroughly. As you can see, my mixture is getting way better, seeing as though I added more glue in. The next thing you will need is paint/food colouring. You don't have to do this, but if you want a little bit more colour in your slime, you can use this. Make sure you don't add in too much because then when you activate it, it will be like kind of watery and not very nice. So just mix that in. Once you have mixed that all in, you need to get some baby oil. This will make it more stretchy and yeah, it'll just make it more stretchy and glossier. Make sure you don't add in too much because as you can see, it does separate the mixture. Like this is the one ingredient that you can't add in too much. If you add in too much, like I'm sorry guys, but your slime will be really bad and it'll break easily. And yeah, this is the #1 ingredient that you can't eyeball. The next thing you will need is some hair gel. You can use ladies hair gel, men's hair gel, any brand, any type. This just makes it like more thicker, glossier and stretchier. You don't have to add in too much of this, but yeah. I'm just going to mix that in really thoroughly because it is quite, a tough liquidy type of thing. Yeah, so going to mix that all in. The next ingredient you will need is some lotion. This will make your slime really stretchy. You don't have to use lotion, but I would really recommend it because it makes your slime really stretchy. As you can see, I have not used too much. Any brand will work. I like to use that oat and almond milk, I think it is, lotion because I absolutely love the scent. If you would like to make your slime scented, this is now the time to add a fragrance/scent. As you can see, my slime is quite thin and watery. That doesn't matter because you can fix it with some more baby powder. Don't add in too much, like I said before, but just mix it in. You will see better results. As you can see, my slime is a tiny bit still really thin. So you can add in more baby powder or shaving foam. I'm going to use some shaving foam. I love it when shaving foam comes out. It's so satisfying. This looks like a lot, but trust me, it's not. You can't use too much shaving foam. Well, you can, but it just makes it nice and fluffy. Mix that in thoroughly. Now it's time to activate your slime. I am going to be using the simplest method, which is borax and water. In this, I have 1 teaspoon of borax and 1 cup of warm water mixed together. I use it in a drinks bottle because it is just easier to see how much slime you're going to get out. How much activator, you are going to get out, because if you use too much, your slime will go really hard and not very nice. Make sure you add in a tiny bit of activator at a time. Make sure you mix it in nice and slow, don't be too crazy with it. As you can see, this is not fully activated, but it is starting to form, as you can see. Just going to mix that in. I'm going to add some more activator into my mixture. As you can see, not a lot. And just mix that in thoroughly. I feel like I'm whisking eggs here. As you can see, it is still sticky. I still have some residue on my finger. That is a sign that it is not ready yet. Just going to mix that in thoroughly. So it's still sticky, so I'm just going to add in a little bit more activator. I think this is the last bit of activator I'm going to add. Yeah, as you can see, now my slime, even if it feels sticky, it's time to get your hands in, so just knead it around and it won't be sticky. As you can see, I thought mine is a little bit too sticky, so I'm just going to add in a little bit more borax activator. Now I'm going to start getting my hands in there and just start to knead it around in my hand. Yes, your slime will be stringy at the start, but as soon as you start just mixing it in with your hands, it won't be stringy, trust me. So it is a little bit sticky, so I'm just going to whisk it around with the remaining activator that is in the bowl still. And knead it again. Just knead as much as you can until you think you have got to the right consistency. So now I think that my slime is the best consistency it can get. As you can see, it's not stringy and it is a beautiful yellow, pastel-y yellow slime. It is very nice and fluffy, and it's really pokey and very, very stretchy, seeing as though I added a lot of hair gel, a lot of baby powder, a lot of baby oil and a lot of lotion. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe, and tell me in the comments down below what other videos I might need to do. Bye!